Welcome back to the channel. Want to turn cold customers into loyal buyers? Stick around. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss my tools or Python tools and tutorials. Okay, today I'm showing you my brand new application or the brand new application that I built. I call it Ultimate CRO Helper, or CRO stands for Conversion Rate Optimization. Okay, RFM segmentation and email outreach. Although the email outreach, I'm not able to show you if it's going to send to those email address that we're going to show on this tutorial. Okay, because those are only example email address. Okay, and yeah, this app can pull live orders from Shopify if you enter the Shopify admin API token, your store name or the store URL, and then the store name. Okay. All right. So if you have if you have the account for your, for your email, okay, or your email client um, application that you're using, you just have to put your host here. Then this one, it is at ease, and then SMTP user, and then the password, and then where it's from. Usually it's not your, probably it's your company email or your customer service email, okay? And then yeah, your shop name. So the display name should always be here, okay? And since I don't have a Shopify store in this demo, I'm using an uploaded CSV data instead, but the functionality is exactly the same. There's no difference between the live feed and also the CSV file. Okay. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the CSV file. I'm going to click on Browse here, and I'm going to choose low value customer. Okay. And then the app calculates the RFM once I click on the fetch order and compute RFM. I'm going to click on that one. As you can see, it computes the what you call this RFM, okay, and then the RFM segmentation we're going to show here in this section of the page, and then generate codes. To generate code, click on generate codes, and you can see the codes are generated, and then it will going to give you a preview of the email where the code is already inserted. Okay, and the this one, like I said, it will going to compute the RFM metrics or the regions recency, frequency, and monetary value, and groups customer into a clear segment like champions, loyal, at risk, and loss. No spreadsheet, no formulas, and no headache. Okay, next, with one click, as you can see, I already generated the coupon code, and then the app will going to show you all the options for the coupon code. Okay, and the best part, if you and or any client already have a Shopify store, just drop your Shopify store and API token on the left hand side sidebar, and then the app will automatically pull up live orders, same feature, zero extra coding. Okay, so if you are serious about boosting your um, call this repeat purchases and retention and also lifetime value, grab this app, try it with your own data so you can plan your next email to those, especially to those buyers who left their cart, right? They didn't proceed with this with their orders, right? And then yeah, you can I mean the link and the sample CSV file are also in my in the same directory with the application. And then if you like this kind of tools, like if you like other automation tools, because I'm frequently posting video, so like I told you, sometimes once a week, sometimes twice a week, right? And if I able to create one, I'm going to immediately post it on YouTube. Well, by the way, what I did, what I used to, I mean, the tech stack that I've used here is, random string, datetime, Panda, Streamlit, email dot message, and then Jinja too. Okay. Now, yeah, just subscribe to my channel. So, or and then also click on the or click, tap the bell icon to get notification. Okay, no problem. You're not going to get notification almost every day. No, it will not. You're not going to get that. You only once I post a video and then you'll get notified that I already posted another video for this kind of this kind of project. Okay. And then because I've got more free, I have a lot of ideas in line. I mean, in my mind that I want to create. So if you are into this kind of project, subscribe to my channel. If you have a comments down below. Like and share it to other people who really wants to know about this kind of project-based application. Okay? Until then, see you on the next video.